How to insert a text box in MS Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech, and in this video we are going to learn how you can easily insert a text box in MS Word document. First of all, launch open the Microsoft Word app on your phone and make sure to load the document where you want to add the text box. After you do that, go ahead and find the area within the document where you want to add the text box on. Double tap on the area and you'll see the cursor icon blinking. Now go to the menu at the bottom and tap the plus button, and from the menu that opens up, tap the three dots and then select the text box option. Now you will see a text box generated in your document. Word will place a default text box onto your document. Tap on inside the box and then go ahead and start typing your content. After you do that, you can pull the corners of the handle to resize your text box. Just like that. You can drag it horizontally or vertically according to your preference to adjust the width or the height. Now go ahead and tap on this little paint kind of an icon and select the color to fill into your text box. You can also add or remove the outline, adjust the text alignments, change font style and sizes from this menu. So that is how you can easily add a text box on one of your documents in Microsoft Word. You can use the text boxes for quotes, side notes, highlights, or callouts. Keep margins around the box as well so that it looks clean, and don't overcrowd the box. One purpose per text box works the best in your document. So that is how you can easily style your text and add boxes in it as well on Microsoft Word using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.